So it's 2023. So why should you start Etsy dropshipping? I'm going to go over it with you because the main reason you should start is it's so simple. It's so easy to get going. There's no upfront cost, right? You can find winning products so easily, scale it up so easily. You know, you don't have to worry about buying a domain, setting up Shopify. Have you got the right theme? Have you got the right apps? Okay, now how am I going to get traffic? Okay, I need to worry about TikTok, paid ads. Am I making money? Right? Etsy, it's all organic. It's all done for you. It's all a level playing field. If you get the right products out, you make money. It's so simple. So let me just reduce this, right? And let's go over it. So I'm just on the homepage here. And look, you know, there's some really nice products, okay? It's day after Valentine's Day. They're straight onto Mother's Day, okay? So let's just take a look through these Mother's Day gifts, right? Now, we'll stop when there's a product that I don't think you can dropship, right? Nope, all of these can dropship, okay? So this one popular now. Right, Mum's affirmations mug. Okay, very cool product. Nice affirmations for Mum. Boom, your supplier could do this. Yeah, this could be a product you sell, right? And it's an Etsy's pick. How many reviews has this item got? 49. So this item alone has probably done 200-300 sales in a couple days for Mother's Day, right? Very, very easy. Now we come here and take a look. All of these are mugs. All of these are drop shippable mugs. Okay, mugs is not the best product to sell on Etsy, but if that's not a good product to sell and it's still doing those numbers, right? It's it just goes to show. So now what we're going to do is we are going to look at a popular game that's just come out, Hogwarts Legacy. Look at all these products around Hogwarts Legacy. Okay, we'll click that. I'm not going to lie to you, these are all terrible products. If you follow the optimization listing guide in the Discord, discord.gg/Etsy, you know, you will know how to do an optimized listing so much better than this. You'll get on the front page and you will just clean up, right? So these are all crap. So let's go on to Harry Potter. Now let's have a little look through. Nice stainless steel mug. 10,000 sales on this store. Nice, it's personalized Hogwarts theme. Boom, you can dropship that. Yeah, this is another product you can dropship. This t-shirt, you know. So how can you find products like this? Let's just go on AliExpress. Harry Potter t-shirt. Okay, that's a cool t-shirt, right? This is a cool t-shirt. That's a cool t-shirt. That's a cool t-shirt. You know, that's really cute. That would probably do very well on Etsy. This will do very well, you know. So you've now just found a bunch of winning t-shirts. Now let's expand. Harry Potter hoodie. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you're laughing. You're laughing. You know, and how long did that take? So how did we do that? We looked into something that was trending currently. We then dug a bit deeper into it to get its full, you know, the full scope. Then we looked it up and we found winning products. You know, there's a demand for this product purely because of how popular and how on trend it is. And now we found the winning products. Obviously, selling something like this can be, you know, IP infringement. So you might not want to go down this route. However, use this path to, you know, come up with your own other trends and niches and stuff. And this is what wins, right? This is why Etsy just blows Shopify out the water, right? You know, so you can do this all day. Come up with these brilliant ideas, get products for them, get them listed, yeah? And then you're going to build up a store. And then when you come to build up your store, you can get it done in an hour. You know, you create the store. There's a video on that on my channel. You know, you can click the button up the top or wherever it is, and you'll go to that. And then, you know, all you want to do, get your sections, get your nice listings up, make a nice little banner in Canva, a little logo, a nice picture of you as the profile, get your policies, and boom, that's your tech done, right? That's your store set up, okay? You know, there's no apps you need to worry about. There's no themes you need to install. The only thing you need to consider is, if we just go into a random page here, the only thing you need to consider is if you're going to pay the monthly, so you can design your profile a bit better, get deeper analytics, you know, and then all you want to worry about then is getting your listings out, okay? You know, so let's talk more about traffic. So what we push is organic, okay? That's what I love. That's what works best. You know, you're on a marketplace that gets millions and millions and millions of organic people shopping on it daily, right? Or monthly, sorry. So you just getting the right products at the right time, you're going to get a piece of that pie, okay? Even if you're getting a crumb of that pie, you make a lot of money, okay? So that's what you want to be doing, yeah? You know, and there's so much more optimization techniques you can do along the way, you know. So when you're starting, this is the roadmap you want to follow. You want to build your store, you want to source your niche, source your products. You know, as I said in my last video, do it in a Google Sheet, get it all up. You know, watch that video if you haven't already. And that's just how you can get started at Etsy dropshipping. So, you know, so what you want to do is build it out, you know, build it out, get it listed, get your products up, get to 15 listings, then get to 25, then get to 40, and then you're good to go. You know, so if we look at this store here, okay, you know, 500 sales, 147 listings. This design here is because they pay for the Etsy monthly. You know, 140 sales here, 140 listings here. You know, the analogy I like to give with the amount of listings you have is by you going fishing. The bigger your net, the more fish you catch, right? That's how it works. So get more listings out, get more sales. These are very cute. So I'm hoping I'm giving you some ideas just by scrolling around here in the background. But this is why Etsy works. This is why it's so easy, right? It is the best side hustle. It is the best platform to start dropshipping on in 2023, right? So if I just open up the Discord here, you know, Julia, 100 sales, you know, revenue, boom, 2K revenue, 2.5K, you know, just starting 2K, you know, these people are all just starting 2K, nearly 2K, you know, 38K, 6.2K, 1.1, 3.1. It's so easy, right? You know, you on average, you make about 40 to 60% profit margins. That's after all of the fees. You know, Etsy charges 10.5% plus 20p listing fee, renewal fee. That's all you pay. You know, would you rather pay a small fee on a sale where you can still control the price, you can still make sure that you're in the profit and getting sales, or would you rather pay for paid ads and hope you get a sale, right? You never know where a sale is going to come from, whereas when you pay for on the sale, you've made the sale, you make the money, you know. And people talk about like long shipping times. This is where you can use CJ dropshipping. This is when you can get in touch with a private supplier, you can build connections, you know. All you want to do is build a private supplier, get better shipping, and you can get delivery 7 to 12 days, right? Then on Etsy, you include that in your processing time. So, you know, realistically, it's about 5-day delivery for the customer. That's how long they think they're waiting for, you know. So you can source CJ, you can source on Zen, you can use a private supplier. You know, your products are everywhere. And this is why Etsy wins, you know, all the time. All the time, Etsy is going to win for dropshipping. It is a dropshipper's paradise. So let me know in the comments if you do Etsy dropshipping. If you don't, why not? You know, why aren't you getting into it? And if you want to know more about Etsy dropshipping, join the Discord. and give me a subscription. You know, just subscribe. It means a lot. So thanks for sticking around and getting this far into the video if you are here. As always, I appreciate you. So have a blessed day.